It's day 5 of my Virgin Voyage Greek Isles cruise. We are in Crete, and we are not right in the town. We have to take a 30-minute shuttle into town. Yet another reason the small ships are a wee bit better, because you get a lot closer. But we're gonna go check out Crete. I don't know anything. Today was Chania Bay in Crete, Greece. Such a beautiful old port town. It was so quaint with so many shops and restaurants and bars. We got to sit down and have some delicious food as we overlooked the water. Of course, I had my grape leaves and some amazing baklava. Once we got back onto the ship, it was a time to check out the beautiful manor, which is where I love to dance. And then we had dinner at the test kitchen, basically like a chef's table. We were watching them prepare our meals, and the food is absolutely delicious. Very unusual, but such an incredible meal.